Most people think prompting is simple. Just type something and AI gives you an answer. But here's the truth. A tiny change in how you phrase a prompt can be the difference between a generic mess and a $1 million idea. Curious? Stick around. In this video, you'll uncover the secrets of prompt engineering, explore real examples, and discover why this skill could become one of the highest-paying skills of the future. And before we dive in, welcome to WeCodeNoCode, your home for unlocking the real power of no-code and AI. If you're ready to level up your AI skills and supercharge your productivity, hit subscribe, like this video, and share your favorite AI tool or use case in the comments. Now, let's dive in and see why prompt engineering truly matters. Prompt engineering is basically giving AI the right instructions so it can give you the best answers. Think of it like ordering food at a restaurant. If you just say, "Bring me food," you'll get something random. But if you say, "Bring me a crispy margarita pizza with extra cheese, no onions, and a side of garlic bread," you'll get exactly what you imagined. That's prompt engineering, the recipe for turning your ideas into reality. Now, think about hiring a freelancer. If you just say, "Make me a website," you might get something random. But if you say, "Make me a 3-page website for a coffee shop with a menu, contact form, and modern design," you get exactly what you need. Prompt engineering works the same way. It's not magic, it's clarity. Before we master the art of prompt engineering, you need to know the cast of characters, the brains behind it all, the large language models. Here's the squad. ChatGPT by OpenAI is the all-rounder. Blogs, code, brainstorming, your Swiss Army knife. Google Gemini is the detective, brilliant at reasoning, research, and fact-checking, all synced with Google's universe. Claude by Anthropic is the philosopher, ethical, safe, and capable of holding massive conversations like a thoughtful friend. DeepSeek is the speedster, fast, sharp, and built for deep analysis. Grok by xAI is the wild card, witty, sometimes sarcastic, designed to feel more human in tone. Perplexity AI is the researcher, like an AI-powered search engine, pulling real-time knowledge straight from the web. Here's the secret. Every AI has a personality, and if you don't know who you're talking to, you'll never get the best results. Now that you know the AI personalities, it's time to learn how to actually get them to work for you. The secret is a clear, structured approach called the prompt engineering framework, which includes role, task, context, reasoning, output format, and stop conditions. Role defines who you want the AI to act as. It could be a persuasive marketing copywriter, for example. Task is about what you want the AI to do, like drafting a follow-up email for leads who didn't finish onboarding. Context provides the background the AI needs, the audience, tone, and important details, say small business owners with a friendly, motivating style. Reasoning helps the AI think strategically, like giving 2 subject line options and explaining why each works. Output format shows the AI how to structure the result, maybe as bulleted benefits, a catchy subject line, or a 3-paragraph email. And finally, stop conditions set limits and constraints, like a maximum of 150 words or only providing 2 options. Now that you understand the prompt engineering framework, let's see it in action with some examples. Imagine you want the AI to write a follow-up email for leads who didn't finish onboarding. Bad prompt. Write a follow-up email for leads. This is too vague. The AI doesn't know the audience, tone, key points, or format. The result will likely be generic and not very persuasive. Good prompt. Act as a persuasive marketing copywriter. Draft a friendly follow-up email for small business owners who didn't complete onboarding. Highlight 3 key benefits of completing onboarding, suggest 2 subject line options, and explain why each works. Keep it under 150 words. This prompt is specific, structured, and actionable. The AI knows exactly what you want, so the output will be clear, engaging, and highly effective. Now let's look at another example, this time with image generation. Bad prompt. Draw a city. Too simple. The AI doesn't know the style, mood, or details, so the result will likely be generic and not what you imagined. Good prompt. Create a high-quality digital illustration of a futuristic city skyline at sunset. Include flying cars, neon lights, and reflections on water. Style should be cinematic and vibrant, suitable for a tech startup's social media post. By being specific and detailed, this prompt guides the AI to produce exactly the kind of image you envisioned, the difference between generic results and something truly remarkable. Prompt engineering started as a simple skill. Today, it's one of the fastest-growing careers in tech. Right now, companies are paying between $80,000 and $250,000 a year for professionals who can make AI work smarter. And the surprising part? Most people don't even realize this career exists. By the time they do, you could already be ahead. Why the demand? Because prompt engineers don't just interact with AI, they unlock its full potential. They streamline workflows, cut costs, and boost productivity in ways companies notice immediately. If you're a no-code builder, this is your advantage. Combine your app-building skills with prompt engineering, and you're no longer just creating apps, you're delivering AI-powered solutions that businesses truly need. Think about it, a skill that saves time, reduces headaches, and turns ideas into powerful tools. That's why prompt engineering is rapidly becoming one of the hottest careers today. Before we wrap up, here are 5 quick tips to level up your prompt engineering skills. Tip 1. Experiment with AI every day, even small prompts. Consistency builds mastery. Tip 2. Be specific. The more details you give, the better the AI's response. Tip 3. Test different variations of your prompts. Sometimes small tweaks make a huge difference. Tip 4. Combine AI with your existing skills, no code, design, marketing, to create truly powerful solutions. And tip 5. Document and save the prompts that work. Build your personal AI toolkit for future projects. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to WeCodeNoCode to level up your AI skills. And don't forget to comment your favorite AI tool or your best prompt. Keep experimenting, keep building, and unlock the full power of AI in your projects. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.